Hello, you are looking at a shelf where I store some of my sewing machines, and then over here I have this Singer desk that came with the Singer 66. I have since gotten rid of that Singer 66 and given it to someone else, but nevertheless I still use the table. And it also came with this bench here. The bench is good because it does have storage in it. However, I'm not really a fan of the bench because there's no back support. So what we're going to do today is focus on getting rid of this bench and replacing it with something with some back support. And in the future, I will be upgrading from this sewing table to something else where I can change out all of my machines and be able to raise and lower the table to meet whatever machine that I'm working with on that particular day. So without further ado, let's get into replacing this bench. I'm going to be replacing the bench with this chair that came out of family storage. It is in need of a fresh coat of polyurethane, but is in otherwise good condition. The chair looks like nothing, something that you would find at a thrift store. However, it has huge historical significance. If you look at the bottom of the chair, it says LAEL School, and that stands for Lincoln Academy Elementary School. Lincoln Academy was a colored school that existed from 1888 until 1955. I actually had family members to attend the school from its inception, and I have a lot of historical photographs. A lot of those photographs are in storage, but here is what I have here at home that you can see on camera. So these are actual pictures from the school where this chair came from. And they're quite interesting. I really don't know anything about how to fix old pictures like this because these were glued into a book and some of the paper is actually starting to bleed through on the pictures, and I'm really scared to deal with them because they are quite delicate. Here is another picture from the original school. As you can see right there, it says Lincoln Academy. And here's another picture from the school. And I have no idea who any of these people are, but I do know that the pictures are here. And here's some people going to the school on horse and buggy. If you like what you're seeing so far, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you haven't already, visit my website at thimblebook.com. This Bombay mahogany color from Minwax is what I'm going to refinish the chair with. It's a color that is my favorite in the Minwax collection, and I've used it before. Let's go ahead and get to refinishing the chair. So this is what the chair ended up looking like, and I'm pretty satisfied with the end results, though there are a few areas that I still do need to touch up. I probably would touch those areas up tonight or maybe tomorrow, and then I'm going to get this in my space. But guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will be making a cushion for this chair just to make it less hard. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to receive more sewing related content.